Hello, happy Monday. Today we're going to be opening my Boxycharm. This is a monthly subscription box for $25. Everything keeps falling. It's just awesome. Don't you love that when that happens? I love it when it happens. Never. Anyways, I am going to get to decluttering very soon, so that's coming. I just haven't started, which I wish I would, but I've just been really focused on Eric. So we are going to go ahead and open this. I'm going to reach in. I did not get my calculator out. This is what the thing is for the month. It says BTS. Alright, now I just need to figure out where my calculator is. There it is. I see it. Alright. On. Now I'm going to reach in. Elena Badrow Baby Blues set. This set masterfully creates a seamless, flawless makeup application, contour, blend, and define with these 3 limited edition decadent synthetic makeup brushes. Allergies are really bad with oh, I love the way the bag feels. Wow. It's very leather feeling. I don't know if it really is leather, but probably not. Anyways, oh, I love these. I haven't watched anyone's unboxing videos. Oh, these are so soft. Wow. I am probably way overexcited for that, but oh my gosh. I did not expect them. I was like, why is it baby blues? You look at this bag, and then you look at this. I mean, those are beautiful. Stunning, even. Okay. I could do that. I love those. Not that I need more brushes. Let me show you. That's just eye brushes. Some face brushes. Some more face brushes. And the most used face brushes. But I love the way that feels, and I already felt them, so yeah. We're going to put those over there, though. These go for $58 for a 3-piece with a little bag. Okay. $58 plus. Alright. Real Her Gold Digger Moisturizing Lipstick. Real Her feels heavy. Over time, encapsulated water is released from the lipstick, providing hydration to your lips. Not only is each shade infused with jojoba seed oil, shea butter, and vitamin E, but each lipstick also provides all-day hydration. $18. So plus 18. Alright. I'm trying to get it to open without ripping. You know what? It's going to rip, so I'm just going to give it to my mom if I don't want it. Oh, I love that. Gold Digger. See it? That's on there. It feels heavy. And it does not want to let go. Okay, that's not a bad color. I'll let y'all know what I think by the end. I'm not sure. So we'll put that there. Alright. Then we have St. Luxe Brow Gel. St. Luxe Beauty Bow Down to Your Brows. This brow gel glides on effortlessly, leaving your brows looking fuller, giving them perfect shape. The short brow brush will give you precise placement of your own brows, and lightweight gel has no residue when dry. $22. Alright, so it's just a simple brow gel. I'm not going to open it. I think it's in clear. Doesn't say. I'm going to guess it's clear because it doesn't say anything else, but I don't want to open it. For one, if I keep it because I already have some brow gel. and for 2 if I give it away. So I'm not going to open it and show it to you right now. So we're going to put it right there. It's $22. Then we got a damaged box. Luna Magic Beauty Baba Voom Pink Lash Primer. So this is a lash primer. Just one sweep. An innovative primer mascara glides on evenly, coat, smooth your lashes, maximize the final result with your favorite mascara. Looks like that. I'm not going to open it because once again, once you open it, you're kind of done. You got to use it within 6 months. So, yeah. This is Baba Pink. When I get ready to use it, I don't think I have any lash primers, but when I get ready to use it, then I'll open it. So, but I do love a lash primer. I think L'Oreal was the last one I used, and I loved it. Oh, that was $25, so plus 25. And the last thing is a Glow Getter Face Palette by Blink Beauty. I have a lot of face palettes. This palette features 4 smooth matte blushes, 4 luminous highlighters, and beautiful sophisticated shades that enhance skin tones for personalized youthful glow. The formulas are refined, blend effortlessly, and last all day so you can glow and get it. So it's $50. Let's look at it. It's very beautiful. Let me show y'all. But I don't know if it's for me. So I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to swatch it, because I might just put it in the 500 subscriber giveaway. Like I said, I have a lot of face palettes. I have to go through some of them because I reach for the individuals. I don't reach for the face palettes lately. I reach for the individuals. So I'm going to think on that one, and I'm going to compare it to some of my other ones so I can make sure that I have it. Because it also reminds me of another palette I have. So the value is $173. So you minus, I think it was $27.50 that actually comes out of Jason's checking account. So it's $145.50 over what I paid for it, which is not a bad value when you think about it. So you get your money's worth. If you have the money, I would suggest this is a perfect box. I've not ever gotten any of the other ones, but I am looking at the budget. After COVID hit, Jason was no longer working in the oil field. He's now back to being a plumber. Things are a little more tight with that kind of paycheck as opposed to the other kind of paycheck. So, yes, I am just doing my best right now, trying to figure out how much money I have that I could put in his checking account to be able to pay for my boxes. So anyways, I hope you all have a beautiful day, and I am sorry I was late opening this. Anyone who watched Friday's video saw my meltdown. Everything's fine. Love y'all. Have a wonderful day. Bye.